my channel. So today I'm going to do a review on BH Cosmetics. So I got this look using the BH Cosmetics, and this was literally one of my first time actually using all of their products. I actually used some foundation once before, like a long time ago. It was some foundation I bought for like $4 or $5, and it was like this big, and because it was so small, like I decided not to keep buying BH Cosmetics. So I'm not sure as far as like how I liked the products back then and all that stuff. So I decided to come to you guys today and actually give you a review on the products. So I actually filmed this as a get ready with me, but like I did not like how the story time that I was doing at the time came out. So I was like, you know what, I already put the whole look on already, so let me just go ahead and review the things that I used. So the first thing that I have bought was I bought the Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealers. And what I do is before I apply my foundation, so after I moisturize and put on some primer, I like to use concealer to go ahead and cover up like my little dark spots that I have before applying the foundation, because I find that it tends to be less noticeable, like the dark spot, through the foundations. For some reason it tends to work for me better opposed to like me putting it on after I put on the foundation. So I like doing that better, and I noticed that it's okay. Like right here tends to be my problematic area, and so as far as coverage goes with this, and also going ahead and using the BH Liquid Foundation Naturally Flawless, I'm not sure what color this is because I tend to have a hard time guessing of colors. Like I'm just eyeing it out, just guessing when I buy foundation online. So I guessed this, and this color seemed to fit my skin tone pretty good. But putting these two on together, like I feel like it did a pretty good job as far as covering up the dark spots. I didn't even put on my earrings. Really? Okay, we're just gonna put it on right now. Okay, I do not. I was wondering why I felt so weird. Like not. I don't know. Like, am I the only girl like that? Like I feel so thrown off and weird whenever I don't have earrings on. So I also use this Studio Pro Foundation Primer. This is by BH Cosmetics as well. So when I initially started, when I moisturized using Neutrogena Oil-Free Acne Moisturizer Pink Grapefruit. So I put this on, and then afterwards I ended up putting this on, and I kind of got like a oily feel in my face. So when I was rubbing it on my face, it kind of felt like it was oily, but I'm just like, I don't know. And I was kind of nervous because if you could tell, it comes out like a peachy orange color. So I don't know, I tend to like to use clear color primer or like a brown tone color because I am brown. So I was kind of worried that this was going to come out looking like orange and I was going to look like a pumpkin, and y'all going to be like, oh girl, no, take that mess off. So yeah. So after I did that, I went ahead and I put on some of the BH Cosmetics contour palette. This has 10 colors in it, and as you can tell, I put it on my face. You probably can't tell that much, but it was kind of difficult because I didn't use the brushes, because I just got the brushes, which I'm going to show you guys in a second. But I had used my fingers, and it just came out looking like my natural skin tone. So it doesn't look like I contoured much. So maybe it would have been definitely different if I went ahead and I used the brush opposed to using my finger. I hurt my arm. So yeah, the next thing that I did get was I definitely got the brush collection. I didn't use the brushes because I wanted to wash it before I put it on my face. But these came with 15 brushes. They're really cute. This is what it looks like. Oh, this is adorable. And I feel like this is really good quality. Like, come through with this brush. Like, really good product for BH Cosmetics. Now, what made me want to do this, use these products, is because I've heard nothing but good stuff about BH Cosmetics, especially in the African American community. A lot of black women tend to use their products. It's affordable, and like a lot of black women are partnering with this company and coming up with their own like shadows and foundations and all that stuff. So I think that is super great. And these brushes are really cute. This was probably, I think it was like $13 or $14. So I was like, you can't pass this up, Raven. Get this. So yeah, definitely like the quality of this based on what I feel so far, but I didn't use it on my face. Another thing that I did get was the MidnightCity shadows, which is really, really cute. Right now I use this brown color. I wish it kind of had names so I could just say it off like the Morphe palettes, but definitely use that color. It's really cute. It's not that noticeable. It's like really, really natural, and my whole look for right now is natural, and I like earthy tones. So look at me right now, natural face. Look at my shirt, earthy colors. Raven, you're an earthy person. Okay, definitely. And then I also have ended up buying like some blush, and it was like the Hawaiian type blush, something. I don't remember what it's called, but it's like Hawaiian something. And I ended up giving that away to my mom because I'm like, girl, use it, okay? Because you need some blush, you need some color in your life. So I gave it away to her as a gift. And these lashes, okay, let me tell you, I got these lashes from there as well. And when I was looking at it, like, I was kind of nervous before buying it because I was like, look at the box, it's so basic, and I don't know, it just kind of reminded me of what I seen at the dollar store. So I was kind of nervous because I'm like, oh, I'm about to get dollar store quality lashes. So I got the D303 lashes, and it came with a little thing of glue. FYI, it has a little hole thingy, like a pointer thingy, so when you go poke the hole in the glue, I use my tweezers and it just went like on me, so definitely. So I got the lashes, and the lashes, like, they had the little beads on the ends of it, and I thought it was cute. I do think the lashes is cute, but I kind of felt like they're kind of like, something about it for me isn't cute. Like, I like the overall look of it, but I feel like the quality, like, it feels like plasticky to me, and I don't like that, you know. And guys, be on the lookout because I have some lashes dropping soon, y'all. Y'all gonna love my lashes. Y'all gonna be like, yes, hunty, these are cute. Okay, but anyways, like, looking in the mirror, like, I don't like how it looks on me. Like, I feel like it looks weird. Like, if you would notice, like, right here it's like up, and then right here is like down, like it slants. Like, the prime example, if you guys are familiar with Diamond Nicole, no shades to her, she's a very pretty girl and her lashes are cute, but like, when she put on her lashes, for some reason it seems like it's always slanting down, and that's what I feel like with these. Like, I feel like it's slanting down, so I don't like it, and I'm like, is it me? Did I, like, I don't know, like, I don't know. It's just like, I'm not for it looking like it being slanted down. Like, I don't like that, like, look like that, and it's a distraction to me. Like, it's like, I definitely got sent some lashes to review, and look so weird. Like, they look slanted, one, when you put them on. Two, like, the glue don't stick. Mine was this lipstick. It is called Lovely, and I thought this was cute. Like I said, I'm an earthy person. I like those earthy colors, so I was excited to get this. Too much product came out for me instantly. That was like the only thing that I really didn't like about it. It does smell like lipstick, but I don't like the smell of lipstick. It stinks to me. So I kind of wish that it had like a better smell, but hey, Raven, you get what you pay for, right? But other than that, like, I feel like it's cute. Like, I feel like I could do a lot more with this. Like, I could make it like look like the ombre look. Like, it's perfect for this. Like, this color right here is perfect if you want to do the ombre look. So you can definitely do that, honey. But yeah, so overall, I do like the products. I definitely will continue to use BH Cosmetics. Hopefully one day in the future we could partner together and do something. But yeah, overall, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts and comments about BH Cosmetics and if you use them as well. I could put the links to all this stuff in the description, so definitely be sure to check it out. And I thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.